Embark on a journey into the depths of the brain as we focus our gaze on the remarkable frontal cortex. Prepare to uncover 7 fascinating facts about this extraordinary region of the brain. 1. The seat of executive functioning. Nestled snugly behind your forehead lies the frontal cortex, often referred to as the brain's CEO. This powerhouse is responsible for a myriad of high-level cognitive functions, including decision-making, problem-solving, and impulse control. Picture it as the conductor of a symphony orchestra, coordinating each section to produce a harmonious melody. As Dr. Robert Sapolsky eloquently puts it, the frontal cortex is where the magic happens, where we weigh options, plan for the future, and exert self-control. The frontal cortex comprises several distinct areas, each with its own specialized function. The dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, for example, is involved in cognitive control and working memory, while the ventromedial prefrontal cortex plays a crucial role in emotional regulation and social behavior. Together, these regions form a complex network that enables us to navigate the complexities of everyday life with finesse and precision. 2. The architect of personality. Have you ever wondered what makes you, well, you? Look no further than the frontal cortex. This region plays a pivotal role in shaping our personalities, influencing traits such as empathy, humor, and resilience. Picture it as the master sculptor of our social selves, molding our behaviors and responses to the world around us. Through its intricate connections with other brain regions, the frontal cortex integrates sensory information, memories, and social cues to create a cohesive sense of self. Studies have shown that damage to the frontal cortex can profoundly alter personality traits, leading to changes in behavior and social functioning. Patients with lesions in this region may exhibit impulsivity, apathy, or disinhibition, highlighting the critical role of the frontal cortex in regulating social behavior and emotional expression. As Dr. Helen Fisher aptly describes it, the frontal cortex is the canvas upon which our personalities are painted, reflecting the intricate interplay of genes, environment, and experience. 3. A hub of emotional regulation. Emotions can be as turbulent as the stormy seas, but fear not, for the frontal cortex acts as our steadfast lighthouse, guiding us through the tempest. Through intricate neural connections, this region helps regulate our emotional responses, allowing us to navigate life's ups and downs with grace and composure. Picture it as the conductor of an orchestra, modulating the intensity and expression of each emotional note to create a harmonious melody. The frontal cortex interacts closely with subcortical structures such as the amygdala and the limbic system, which are involved in the processing and regulation of emotions. Through this dynamic interplay, the frontal cortex modulates emotional responses, enabling us to adapt to changing circumstances and maintain emotional equilibrium. Studies have shown that individuals with damage to the frontal cortex may exhibit difficulties in emotional regulation, leading to mood disturbances and impaired social functioning. 4. The fountain of creativity. Ever experienced a surge of inspiration that seemingly emanated from the depths of your mind? You can thank the frontal cortex for that. This dynamic region is instrumental in fostering creativity and innovation, as it integrates disparate ideas and forges novel connections. Picture it as the wellspring of creativity, nourishing our imaginations and fueling our artistic endeavors. The frontal cortex is uniquely equipped to engage in divergent thinking, a cognitive process that involves generating multiple solutions to a problem. Through its extensive network of neural connections, this region facilitates the exploration of alternative perspectives and the synthesis of disparate ideas, laying the groundwork for creative breakthroughs. As Dr. Nancy Andreasen aptly observes, creativity is the dance of the frontal cortex, orchestrating the symphony of ideas within our minds. 5. A fortress against impulsivity. In a world filled with distractions and temptations, the frontal cortex serves as our stalwart guardian, shielding us from impulsive behaviors and reckless decisions. Through its intricate neural circuitry, this region enables us to weigh the consequences of our actions and resist immediate gratification, paving the way for long-term success and fulfillment. Picture it as the gatekeeper of our desires, standing firm against the tide of impulsivity and temptation. The frontal cortex plays a critical role in inhibitory control, the ability to suppress prepotent responses and regulate behavior in accordance with long-term goals. Studies have shown that individuals with damage to the frontal cortex may exhibit impulsivity and poor impulse control, leading to difficulties in decision-making and goal-directed behavior. As Dr. Jonathan Cohen aptly states, the frontal cortex is where we exercise the power of restraint, harnessing our impulses and guiding our actions towards positive outcomes. 6. The maestro of goal-directed behavior. Dreams are the compasses that guide us on our journey through life, and the frontal cortex is the skilled navigator that helps us chart our course. This region is instrumental in setting and pursuing goals, marshalling our resources and orchestrating our actions to turn dreams into reality. Picture it as the architect of our aspirations, drawing blueprints for a brighter future and guiding us towards our destination. The frontal cortex is uniquely equipped to engage in goal-directed behavior, a cognitive process that involves setting objectives, planning strategies, and monitoring progress towards a desired outcome. Through its intricate network of neural connections, this region enables us to break down complex tasks into manageable steps and coordinate our efforts towards achieving our goals. As Dr. Jordan Peterson aptly states, the frontal cortex is where we transform aspirations into achievements, forging our destinies with every deliberate step. 7. A beacon of hope. Amidst the complexities of the human brain, the frontal cortex shines as a beacon of hope, reminding us of our boundless potential and capacity for growth. Through its remarkable plasticity, this region allows us to learn, adapt, and evolve, transcending limitations and reaching new heights of understanding and fulfillment. Picture it as the guiding light that illuminates our path, inspiring us to embrace challenges and pursue our passions with unwavering determination. The frontal cortex is capable of remarkable feats of adaptation and resilience, even in the face of adversity. Studies have shown that through targeted interventions such as cognitive training and neurofeedback, individuals can enhance the functioning of their frontal cortex and improve cognitive performance. As Dr. Michael Merzenich aptly observes, the frontal cortex is where hope resides, empowering us to overcome obstacles and seize opportunities for growth and transformation. As we conclude our exploration of the frontal cortex, let us marvel at the wondrous intricacies of the human brain. With each new discovery, we inch closer to unraveling the mysteries of our minds and unlocking the limitless possibilities that lie within.